Hello. Hi. So coffee aa gaya hai. By God's grace, all the coffees are here. This came in like 10 minutes back. This came in 2 days back. I'll be unboxing and letting you know what do we have this time. Let's start with this. From Tribute Coffee Roasters. It's from Ethiopia. Language thoda alag hai, so I'm not able to read, but yeah. Same. Since एक से काम नहीं होता है. This is Boat Coffee Roasters. This is washed coffee, Colombian. This is the same but in espresso roast.
Why did you get an espresso roast?
Just to try. See, they do espresso roast better. And I want to see if others do espresso roast better. This is Obadiah, Burundi. ये किधर का है पता नहीं. Scotland. This is from Scotland. Washed process. Bourbon varietal. और ये भी कोलंबियन है. Language is a big problem. Argentina. This is from Argentina.
Which language is it in?
Spanish. Manifesto ही लिख रहे थे. This is like manifesto. I can. But then this is geisha. Processed is honey processed, and yeah, this is geisha. Excited for this. We'll put this aside. खुल जा. वो कटर भी लेना पड़ेगा ना आपको.
This is for the month of?
Any, I mean, जब मन करे you brew it. But I'm thinking के this month, we'll start this month. Let us see. Cream donut, all dark, see. All
DAC,
dark.
sorry, DAC.
DAC.
DAC, yeah.
Cream donut.
What is that?
Packing है. It says Panettone, but this is cardamom bun. This was renamed cardamom bun. पहले Panettone था नाम उसका. Cream donut. Cream donut. Cream donut. Espresso roast.
Okay.
Yeah, this is espresso.
So we
roast.
can say that now there is cream donut here and you can have it.
Espresso roast, cream donut. Cream donut, filter roast. So I got all the cream donuts. ठीक है. Espresso, filter, espresso. All of these coffees. Geisha. ये available रहेगा for the month of April. I'm hoping to do cupping on this very soon, just to start the Vadodara Coffee Collective, and few of them are up for grabs if you want to. Not that I want to sell it, but if you want, you can have. And yeah, this is it. I cannot wait to do the cupping and start the community. Thank you. So, as you all saw, we unboxed these coffees. We will do same sort of unboxing every month. Hoping to do same sort of unboxing. As you know, this takes a lot sourcing this from around the globe. Coffee Vine has made it a little bit easier. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more detailed videos about this unboxing and cupping as well. Subscribe. YouTube.
वैसे नहीं बोलना है subscribe.
Thank you.